Hello guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos or Bugs collection, the giant scorpion. I can't wait to get into this, guys. You know from my golden scorpion unboxing that scorpions are like kind of one of my favorite bugs. So before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it, guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post a new or start a new live stream. And well guys, let's get into this. So we have the magazine and our new giant scorpion out of the bag. But before we get into checking out our new scorpion friend, we're gonna check out the magazine and learn everything we can about him. So let's go on down here and check that out. So like always, it has the name of the collection here, Bichos, which in English translates to bugs. So Bichos are bugs. And here it says Escorpión Gigante, or giant scorpion. And then you have a giant picture of the scorpion. And if you look kind of closely, you can even see that this particular species of scorpion has these little tiny, almost hair-like things, which is pretty cool. But don't be confused, guys. This is not a mammal. These are just like little spikes, we can say. So let's open this up. Alright, so over here we have some general information about the giant scorpion. Here we have a little description. Information about their habitat, as well as some general observations. And here we have a picture of the slide that we got with different parts. One showing where their legs, their stinger, their claws. And well, we're gonna go over here and we see black scorpions, and it tells us the different classifications, the different scientific classifications, of this species of scorpion. And we have a nice big picture of one there. And well, we're gonna move right along. Whoa, even bigger picture. This is a drawing. It looks pretty cool. Shows all of those little spiky hair things that I told you about. And don't be surprised, guys. It's not the stinger that most of their prey has to worry about. It is used, but what's definitely scarier on these guys are these claws, which are very strong for a species their size. So these guys can easily cut a worm in half, grab a predator before they get them and sting them and run away. You know, these guys are like really kind of the insect world's badasses. So we're gonna go down here and we're gonna check out the rest of these guys. And here we have different parts of the bug. We're gonna just keep continuing here. All right. So we have these guys all over the place. in different regions all over the world. And I'm a bit scared. I'm a bit terrified now to realize I live in a country where there are scorpions that are giant. That's kind of a bit scary. Okay. But well, these guys are much more interested in cockroaches than in people. So long as you respect them and give them space and don't interfere with their living space, they won't affect you. But if you find one of these guys, steer clear. Do not try to touch them. They're not pets. They're not gonna be nice. But well, the main habitats are tropical forest, savanna, humid Australian forest, and rocky landscapes in Africa. So these guys are literally everywhere. And here it tells you that they have a slow metabolism, so they don't need to eat very often. And here it shows how they carry their babies on their back. Here's a drawing of a mother carrying the babies, and here is a real-life picture of that. That's pretty cool. And I don't know about you, but I think that's maybe one of the safest places for a baby scorpion to be, right? Because nobody's gonna mess with a giant scorpion. But well, we're gonna continue. And then it shows you some different species with pinchers. So like sea crabs and different types of crustaceans. And how it evolved into what today's scorpions have. Well, we're gonna continue. And here it tells you about some of the different types of scorpions. We have some different types. These look kind of scary. They look a bit like more like spiders than scorpions, but that's cool. It never stops to amaze me how different bugs have adapted to fit their environment. And well, we're gonna continue. Okay. Then it talks about if they're poisonous or not poisonous. And this is just a picture of, I think it's one of the golden scorpions, which we previously did an unboxing for. So if you're interested in that, make sure to check out the in cards. And over here, we have some puzzles, like always in this collection. And well, guys, that is the end of that. But now we're going to check out our new giant scorpion friend. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay guys, so here is our giant scorpion. Look at those claws. Those are really, really cool. And all of his legs. can see a bit his stinger, but you'll be able to see it better when I turn it to the side. So I'm gonna turn it. There you can see his stinger. Now guys, for most scorpions, a stinger is really kind of the last result. The last option. They want to keep their venom longer they can. They'll mainly use their claws for food, to get food and stuff, and save the stinger for either large prey or if they're being attacked. And well, I'm gonna show you guys the underside here, and there you can see better all of his legs. Show you the other side. This is really cool. And now I'm gonna show you the best shot. There's his face. Guys, I'm gonna put him down on the table. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this awesome new unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, tell me, what do you guys think about this new bug that I got? Tell me down in the comments below. And if you guys have a favorite type of bug, make sure to tell me what it is. And if you guys haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button down below, and while you're at it guys, make sure to hit that bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or start a new live stream. And well guys, have a great day, make today awesome, bye!